welcome back. Your dreams were your ticket out. Welcome back to that same old place that you laughed about. Well, the names have all changed since you hung around, but those dreams have remained and they've turned around. Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Who'd have thought they'd lead ya? Back here where we need ya. Back here where we need ya. Yeah, the T's in my lot, 'cause we got him on the spot. Welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back, welcome back.
Welcome back. All right, give it a stretch. Oh yeah, okay. Now that I printed the labels for those two like sample orders, so that's going to go out tomorrow. So that's good. So I was able to get it out in a reasonable amount of time, even though I ran through a whole bunch of issues. But that's good. That's just like a whole weight off my shoulders because there's another project that I want to work on, and so I was working on getting like the files ready for that. So that's good. Waiting to hear back from some folks, and yeah. So everything's cool so far. I think I need to figure out what I want to try to print on this thing. I only have like a few of them. And I want to try to figure out something to kind of test and stuff. So neither are there. Welcome back. All right. So for this break session, hopefully you whatever you're working on, you're making some progress. You know what I mean? But for this break session, I want to take a look at this wrap up that the good folks over at Chrome.dev put together for like the CSS stuff. So I'm posting a link to it. So it'll be next to the recording of the video on untilit.works. So you can check it out for yourself. But right now, let's take a look at CSS Wrapped 2025. All right. So, all right. Let's see here. What's this? This takes me to download Chrome. All right, cool. And then this is like, ooh, that's cool. I like how the it kind of like, the moon got fuller, I guess. More fuller. Yeah, because fullest, most full. I don't know. Toggle light and dark. Ooh, okay. I like the little animations. I like it. Little subtle animations. I like it. And then, oh, okay. It's interesting that was like a weird glitch thing, but it's interesting it comes at like is it coming from the center? It's a little bit off center. Okay, interesting. I like the gradient here. All right. I wonder if, hold on, you know what? Let me see something. Again, I'm just going to be nosy real quick. I'm going to see if I can, because right now I think my computer might be set to, my computer like changes, like when the sun goes down, it changes to like dark mode. But let me see if I do light mode. Oh, that's right. The hamburger menu turns into a hamburger. That's cool. I didn't even see like a menu before. Okay, well let's check this out. Hold on. If I do light scheme, oh, that's pretty cool. So depending on what your browser is set, it will actually change it. So it's not like you have to do that. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right. So yeah, so that's what I thought because my browser, I think, is set to dark mode for now. Like during the day, it'll be like light mode or something. But that's pretty dope. I like that. And it changed. Okay, that's pretty cool. How did I do that? Let me see. Okay, yeah, they have like a sun and moon. And I got a print that just finished. That's awesome. So yeah, so there's like a sun and moon SVG. And it looks like they will set it. Okay. Yeah, you see like there's sunbeams. They'll set it depending on the okay, that's interesting. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, dope. Okay. Nice. I'm telling you, like, CSS is going to be a programming language. I'm telling you. All right. So yeah. So wait. So what happened to the? So there's no. Maybe the menu is further down. I'm not sure. But I like this. I like the little squishy thing. I think this is like an image or something. Let me see. Yeah, it's an image. All right. Cool. Can be kind of hard. Ooh. When you move, the little dots go away. They move behind it. That's pretty cool. All right. Yeah, I couldn't imagine trying to do this like in CSS. That would be a lot. All right, this year we're giving you new tools to sculpt a dynamic web. All right. Oh, that's cool. I like the clouds. Oh, that's okay. All right. Sculpt dynamic interfaces, stretch your imagination, and play with these powerful new CSS features. Scroll down to explore these exciting additions to the platform. All right. We've been crafting new features with you in mind. Okay. All right. That's dope. So, customizable components. We give you the clay, functional, stylable component building blocks ready for you to mold their look and feel entirely. It kind of reminds me of like web components. Sound like web components there. Next gen interactions. I can click. Oh, okay. So if I click this, oh, cool. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Wait, okay, we'll replay that. Next gen interactions. Bring your design to life. Use new APIs to control all complex movements for a fluid and seamless user experience. That's pretty dope. And optimize ergonomics. I like how it's like a chair there. Stop fighting the code. These features help you work with CSS in its natural state, making your workflow intuitive. Okay. All right. I'm digging it. Digging it so far. All right. Ready to see what we molded in 2025? The Chrome DevRel team will guide you through 22 CSS and UI features that landed on the web platform fresh from the kiln. All right. So let me replay this. All right. That's cool. What is this area here? Okay, just bouncy animate. So that's the class. Oh, wait, drag. Oh, no, the drag was false. Never mind. I was like, oh, that'd be cool. You could drag them around. Clay floppies, clay keyboard. Okay, so they're all PNGs. All right. And it's just like it runs an animation with them just falling down. That's pretty cool. They have like all the transition duration. Wow, they okay. So yeah, because see like that on the style, it has like the variable for rotate. I'm telling you, like CSS is going to be a programming language soon. So like it's at 0.510, a whole lot of stuff, right? Let's say if I change to 7, will it move or anything? No, it didn't do anything. All right, never mind. Or maybe that was just when the animation was happening. I don't know. But okay, that's cool. All right. So 2025 CSS features, customizable components. The workshop was hot this year. We took the decades-old problem of styling dropdowns and fired it to perfection. We also delivered new core blocks like native anchor positioning and carousel scroll APIs. Yeah, the carousel scroll stuff is pretty cool. Okay. And so then, okay, so these will take me to the, okay, cool. So invoker commands. Yeah, I was kind of like playing around with this, but it's in limited availability. But it's like where you could like programmatically say, hey, I want you, the command show modal. Okay. But I mean, for right now, I'm still fine with, the dot show modal method there. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, without JavaScript, but it's still limited availability. You know what? I'm gonna oh wait, oh never mind. It took me to the website. Okay, I forgot. I thought I would actually do it, but all right. Yeah, so we've spoken about this before. Oh, it's cool. They got like a code pen so you can try it out for yourself. They should have like I am dialogue. That would have been cool. Yeah, the popover thing is pretty awesome too. Like that's like it does it for you, which is kind of amazing. So do they talk about it? They might talk about it later. Okay, cool. Oh yeah, you can have like your own commands. That's pretty dope. Yes, you listen for the command. That's pretty dope. Well, this is a polyfill, so that's cool if you need to. Okay. Dialogue like dismiss. So yeah, so you can you don't have to like click a button to dismiss the dialogue. There's limited availability on that. So yeah, so like here, and you can just close out of it. Should be able to close. Wait, what? Huh? I thought I'd be able, oh, here we go. I didn't know you could do all that. Okay, so yeah, so you'd have to either, but if you did a light dismiss, like close request. Wait, why is it not? Huh? I thought that was supposed to do that, but it didn't. Huh. I can't. Oh, there, well, I don't know what just happened there. Oh, okay. You have to dismiss it first. Okay, and then okay, for it to kind of like take effect. Okay, that's cool. Okay. Pop over hint. All right. Again, limited availability. I guess they're only talking about the things that are in whatchamacallit, in actual Chrome. Oh, so using popover hint combined with interest invokers we just talked about, the interest for attribute, make it much easier to build layered UI elements like tooltips, hover cards, and previews. Previews declaratively in HTML and CSS without complex JavaScript workarounds. That's cool. The pairing allows for dual purpose interaction patterns. For example, hover to preview, click to navigate, and better management of multiple on-screen layers. Okay, let's check this out. Hold on. All right, so you got okay. All right, 24 comments. All right, that's cool. All right, all right. Okay. Oh, you can try it here. Okay. All right. Okay, that's pretty dope. Okay, very nice. All right, customizable select. This is pretty awesome. I can't wait for this to actually drop. You can finally style HTML select elements with CSS. You can try demo this up there. All right, it has CSS for that. Ooh, that's cool. It's the same clay thing. That's pretty dope. Huh. Choose your monster. I think I've seen that before. Huh. That's pretty cool. All right. This is always cool. The scroll marker button joint. Yeah. Oh, it's limited availability. I could have sworn that was available everywhere. It doesn't look like it's available anywhere. Oh, maybe it's some other stuff. All right. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, the Chrome implements most of this feature, but he's yet to implement it. Okay. So yeah, so it has some other stuff. It's just that. All right. Okay. Okay. The scroll marker, smart marker group. Okay. That's pretty cool. All right. All right. Here's a more complex carousel that makes use of anchor positioning and scroll state queries. What? Okay, I probably just show this here. Interesting. Okay. Oh, that's pretty dope. All right, scroll target group. All right. Let's see what else we got here. A lot of stuff with scroll. All right. Watch the videos. All right, interest invokers again. What is it? Oh, invoker commands. Okay. It's different things. Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, that is pretty cool. I like that. Like you kind of like, ooh, what does that do? That's pretty cool. All right, next gen interactions. All right. Kind of looking forward to the scroll states queries thing. I think we spoke about that on the show before, but you can do a lot of cool things with it. Damn, I'm getting tired. All right. Tree counting functions. Okay. There's a lot of stuff. But yeah, I'm going to probably just stop it here because you can go check it out for yourself. Again, I posted a link to it. So it'll be next to the recording of the video on untilit.works. But yeah, for now, I'm going to send you all off. Okay, so pretty cool. Well, I'm almost done. The ergonomic stuff. Telling you that if statement, that's basically just coding right there. as a programming language. All right. Okay. Text box features. Oh, that's cool. Shape. Oh, yeah, that's right. You can do like shapes. That's pretty cool. All right. So yeah. Ooh, what is this? How do I make it look like that? Blob. Oh, for another, use a blob generator to create a fun frame effect. Oh, that's pretty cool. So that's made with like CSS. Yep. Holy moly. That's pretty cool. It's like no JavaScript. Huh. All right. I like it. If statements, cool. Monster gallery. Okay. Custom functions. Again, basically a coding language, CSS. That's really cool. Okay. Ooh, corner shape. I think this has been a thing I've been meaning to like work on for a project. How available is it? That's the limited availability. But yeah, okay, cool. We can't wait to see what you build. This is the Chrome DevRel team. All right. You have the names and everything. That's pretty cool. I made them like a little clay characters. All right. No, that's pretty dope. I like it. Very nice. So a lot of stuff has happened in CSS over the year. So that's pretty cool to see it all kind of like in one place. And again, most of these are just for Chrome. So I think you need that at least like Chrome 135, I think, or something. So, all right, cool. Let me get y'all back to work because I'm trying to get tired now. I'm just getting tired. All right, so about to send y'all off with this traveling music right here from one of my favorite producers of all time. Goes by the name of Nujabes, featuring Apani B. It's called Thank You. When we'll come back, we'll take a look at our artist's website, listen to some music, watch some videos, maybe you'll become a fan. But yeah, till then, thanks for hanging out. Again, this is Nujabes featuring Apani B. Thank you. All right, talk to you later. Peace.
Let me start from the heart. I was born to stay. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I was born to stay. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. I thank you all for showing up to me. I appreciate this unique opportunity. I'm gonna rock so hard you never stop supporting me. I'm gonna show you how music is more meaning to life. But let me start from the heart. I was born to stay. I thank you all for